What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today we are working on some tumblers. They're the new Stanky 2.0 and they are looking nice. I'm really pleased with how they engraved. They look sharp. They feel like a nicer tumbler, and the few that we've already sold besides this set, customers have really liked. So we're getting them done on the gantry CO2. I will link the one that I have down in the description. So we're working on these right now. And then we really are we're trying to make things a mess before they get better. We're going to try to get some additional beams on the uprights so that we can start getting a few things put away. I got to go get some 2x4s. It was mentioned in the comments what they suggested, which is what I'm going to do. So basically there will be 2x4s between beam to beam, a piece of wood on top of that, and then it'll be screwed in so that it just doesn't shift around. It's a nice smooth surface. My brother owns a cabinet shop, so it's going to be nicer wood. We're going to edge band the front so we don't ruin our clothes. We're going to do it with a thicker edge banding so that it can hold up to nicks and dents and scrapes and things like that. So it'll be super nice. So we'll get some more progress with that. And I'm, like I said yesterday, I'm really excited for what's happening. We had our first kind of big issue with the Summa flatbed. When Taylor got in, the button in the corner was pushed, which is understandable. We were working on racking. But it constantly said that the beams were interrupted. And we restarted it and turned it off and restarted it and moved the beams. And then it had a X-axis, or was it Z-axis? An X-axis overflow. But finally, one of the times when it was not right, I just pushed the gantry, because one time on the Canon, when it had a similar issue, the tech was like, "We'll just manually push the gantry," because sometimes that, I don't even know, but it fixed it. So I tried it then, did another reboot, and it worked. The stressor was, it put the knife down, this first hole, if I can point to it, because it just put it down, and then it paused for a good 5 seconds, and I freaked out. I was like, it already broke, but then it did the circle. So we got it cut. This is a job that is a rush job. They need it today. They ordered it last night. We got it done. I'm actually going to go pick up a rolling ladder so that we can use the shelving better, and Taylor's going to get a few things arranged. Hopefully I can get him some more jobs to run while I'm gone, but we're going to more progress. We put these beams on, but now we're actually going to take them off. And someone pointed out that this middle beam is backwards, and I kind of want to change it. Should we change it, Taylor? No. Taylor says no. We're not going to change it. Print fam, welcome to a new angle. I have the ladder, and it is, ooh, it's sweet. It's taller than the garage door, so we had to tip it to get it in. But I'm pretty sure it's 12 feet because my racking is 12 feet tall, and I am at the top of the racking. See? So let me show you what we did. Oh, it looks so good on the 0.5 lens, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous to hold my camera up this high. Got this pallet racking in yesterday. I set up one here, and I stole the top metal grates and put them there. I am not setting up this one yet because we still need to get some stuff out of here, but the plan is to get that one set up here, and then I have enough right now to set one section up in the middle, but I don't have enough to do the end one, because the plan is I'm going to take this one and move it over there. I'm going to take this set and put it right here. We're going to take the flatbed, we're going to turn it and put it up against the wall, and then we're going to take the Summa and turn it and put it kind of this way, so that this whole area will become open, and hopefully all of this whole area will be open too. But basically the pens will go either above or below the lasers. The lasers will go there. We'll have the white toner, the DTF printer, heat presses over there. We'll have shirt storage above. Then we'll do one more row to have shirt storage there. The nice thing about this one is we'll be able to access the storage here from the stairs. We'll be able to access storage above the middle section, which will have the HP and the laminator with the ladder that I'm stepping on. And then we'll be able to access this one as well. So we'll just have to make sure when we put the Summa in that we orient it correctly so that we can get the ladder thing in and out. So I'm really excited. This is actually the second time I've recorded this clip because I'm having terrible luck with the mic that I got. It's an external mic so that the sound is better. But sometimes what happens is it's not like connected all the way for some reason. So when I have bad audio, what's happening is it's switching between this mic that's clipped onto me and the mic on the phone. So it's going back and forth and it's just terrible. So wardrobe-ish change, put my jacket on because I left and happened to be here when I was editing. So I'm going to re-record this clip so that's good. But I'm really excited for the progress. I'm really nervous. But overall, I think it'll be really good for the shop. Another thing that I wanted to mention is we are doing a new series that is going to be Will It Print. I had the idea a while ago, but Daniel re-mentioned it in the comments and said I should do it. So, because at least one person will watch it, I'm going to do it. But with that said, if you want to send me something to try printing, so like say you want to know if something will work because you're curious and want to know if you should buy a flatbed and you're going to print the product, send it to me. I have an address down below that you can send me something. You could also just send me something randomly if you wanted to. Like, it's up to you. But we're going to do a series, Will It Print, with the Canon Arizona. So feel free to send that along. But thanks as always for being here for Print Fam. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the daily vlogs. The few people that commented did. So thank you. I'll keep doing them for a while until I decide not to. But thanks for being here. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we can get more stuff. Like, I'm excited. This is like the most excited I've been in a long time. Also, if you made it this far, I'm not going to tell you. Goodbye.